start it in case it drops? Oh.
Yeah, I've already been starting. It's not gonna drop. It's being held by that side. At least I don't think it is. Is that what you're trying to do? Just take this one off?
Yeah, so I can put the mount on.
I guess grab like a flathead and. Alright, yeah, sure. Go on.
No, cat. Hey!
Suck at throwing, Jordan. Sorry. Alright then. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back. In this beautiful Wednesday afternoon, I guess you can call it. I'm here with the Civic. John got it back in. He put the 3 motor mounts back on. So, well, what's going on is he put the rear and this one right here, and then he's putting on that back one over there. So once we get that one on, we're just gonna get everything out and then start plugging everything back in. Hopefully get it running by the next day or two, or by Friday. Hopefully Saturday, latest to Sunday. Maybe Monday, who knows? We could get around Tuesday, we'll finish up. Somewhere like late night Wednesday, I don't know. We'll probably start driving it sometime Thursday, but who knows, maybe Friday at least. I'm hoping for Saturday, if not Sunday for sure. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes with that. So obviously it doesn't fit, John. I don't think you can move it. Bring the car down. Bring the engine down more.
More?
Yeah. Go up. Stop. There you go. Wait, this side only has one bolt?
Oh no, it has.
Out of here.
This is for Andres. Shout out.
Oh, okay. Just
okay.
get back to working on cars, boy. Just kidding.
Did you get it?
Okay, it's in. Yeah, it's in.
You sure?
Yeah,
How deep?
it's going in pretty deep.
Yeah.
There. Okay, we got it. Whew. All right, then. We got that. So, what John likes to do, he likes to buy brand spanking new rags. Like brands, not even like rags like to work on cars. These are microfiber cloths. And he likes to use them on like the engine parts and get them really dirty and fucked up. It's just like, damn, I could have hella used this to wash my car. But I guess, it's okay. John has money, so he don't give a fuck. Bowling! Woo! 2 for 2. Woo! Sure.
Put your phone down. Put your phone.
Ready?
Ready. Bring it down.
There you go.
Nah, first time was better. But you forgot this though.
See, first time better for everything. Right, babe?
There you go. It is offo. And then untie that, and then you should be good to go. Just start it up.
Kaboom! Ladies and gentlemen, looking for a Y8 engine. No love.
High five. Woohoo! Too slow. I'm just kidding. High five. High five. Yeah, I wasn't gonna move it. That plug, that plug, that plug, that plug, that bolt back there, that plug, that plug, that plug. Oh, and this right here. and this whole hole that goes. I don't know what the fuck went right here, but it needs to go back together.
What?
I need this done by tomorrow. We got that hose off. That hoe. It needs to come off. That one right there. He's cutting up so we can. We're replacing it because the old one he ripped as well. So.
What did
Right there, grab a grip of it and pull it. Cut it in half, like
I do.
anywhere though. But like you have to pull it off. It's probably stuck on there with some balls.
I haven't grown those yet. What are those?
We'll talk about it when you get there. Will he get it? He who is worthy will pull it off.
I thought you were gonna put like 7 hours later.
I could do that too.
Fucking dig.
Nice.
Oh,
Finally.
that shit's dirty in there, bro.
Brightest idea ever. Ready?
It's your turn.
John just missed my whole thing.
How'd you do
what
this?
am I gonna do?
Kinda
Going
low-key
up.
Hurts.
Huh?
Kind of low key hurts. Man, I feel
Yeah.
bad for the motor. I'm.
You're going all the way up.
To infinity and beyond.
How far can this thing go up?
I don't know, but hey, bro. Hey, man. I feel helpless, bro.
Go, he can get like a piñata. You're going pretty high up.
I know, bro. What's up?
Yeah, we're going. All right then, man. Have a good night.
Yeah, bro.
Come on, man. See you later. That's one. Hold on. No.
Jordan. You want to go on yet?
Yeah. Like it's young.
Go make those like into like a little chair almost.
I wanna go
Use
on.
that other one too.
I wanna go and go.
Oh, I put the things on the wrong area.
I told you, make sure you know where you're putting them.
All right, Jordan, just sit down.
Alright, so we finished up with the car. We did what we most we got stumped with the harness, so we're gonna see if we can get one of our friends to help us out. But anyways, now we're at Raising Cane's now. This one just opened up in San Diego, so it's like really busy, and it's like, I don't know, I'm gonna see what's we had it one time before. I didn't have it, but they had it, I guess, I don't know. And they said it's really good. I remember I just took a bite or two, but I don't really remember the taste. So I was like, is it even that good? I don't remember it being that good, but I mean, I'm gonna taste it like legitimately for the first time and see how it goes. This girl is giving this dude dome. Watch this. Oh no, John, hold on.
Let's see where the box comes from. Is she really?
Yeah. In the line.
They have the box combo. She was.
Did he just? It's funny. It's like
I
don't care. I don't like, it's not like, it's, but it's like not in the fucking like drive-through line with a bunch of people around. Like, obviously you got caught up, you sneaky bitch.
Let's see, hold on. Oh shit, lights on. Is that noticeable? Is she still doing it?
Oh yeah, we finally made it. It's like getting the front of the
curb
line
rash.
at Disneyland. Woo, here's our fucking food, bitches. Just kidding. Can we have our food, please? Yeah, he knows. It's the police.